If you've ever shivered your way through a morning swim because your pool takes days to warm up or watched your monthly electricity bill skyrocket just trying to keep the water comfortable, you already know the frustration of traditional pool heating. Upgrading to an efficient heat pump like this 35,000 BTU electric model changes how you manage your pool temperature, giving you extended swim seasons without the financial shock. The main problem it solves is efficiency and temperature control. Traditional electric or gas pool heaters can cost a small fortune to run because this unit utilizes an advanced inverter compressor system with an impressive 12 to 15.8 COP coefficient of performance. It doesn't create heat from scratch. It extracts ambient heat from the outside air and transfers it into the water. That means it can deliver massive heating output while consuming a fraction of the electricity of conventional electric heaters. What makes it practical for everyday life is the smart Wi-Fi control. Instead of walking outside to fiddle with physical buttons or timers, you can use your smartphone app to check the water temperature, adjust settings, or schedule heating cycles right from your couch. It also features a dual heating and cooling mode, meaning you can warm up the pool during chilly spring and autumn months, or flip it to cooling mode during a brutal midsummer heatwave, so your refreshing dip doesn't feel like a warm bath. Things to consider before you buy. While it's designed to handle pools up to 9,000 gallons, making it ideal for most above-ground and small to medium in-ground setups, heat pumps rely heavily on ambient air temperature. If you live in an area where winter temperatures drop close to freezing, its efficiency will naturally dip. Also, keep an eye on your electrical requirements. Depending on the exact model version, you'll want to verify your circuit breaker and plug setup to ensure a smooth, safe installation. So, who is this really for? This is a home run for homeowners with an above-ground or medium-sized in-ground pool who want precise temperature control without paying gas heater prices. If you have a massive 30,000-gallon luxury pool, a 35,000 BTU unit will be completely outmatched, and you'll need a much larger commercial-grade system. Is it worth the money? If you want to stretch your swimming season by a few extra months on both ends of summer without a terrifying electric bill, the energy savings and smart convenience make it a brilliant long-term investment. If this looks like the right fit for your backyard, I've left the Amazon link in the description. And if this review helped you out, please hit that like button, share it with a fellow pool owner, and subscribe to the channel for more honest, no-fluff appliance reviews.